Alrighty, old goats, we got a package in the mail today. We're gonna open her up and find out what's inside. If you've watched any of my recent videos, or maybe I haven't put them on yet. I don't know. Wind seems to be a problem for me. So I'm hoping, yeah, that's what it is. I got myself a HOTEC Lavalier mic. Put the link for this down below in the description. Let's see what's in the box though, because I'm kind of excited about this. And okay, user instruction manual, blah blah blah. We'll read it, I guess. Oh, a business card of some sort. Yeah, a business card asking me to do a video. Ha! I got my receiver, which I gotta find a adapter for this. I think I have one in the basement. I'll have to go check it out. That way it'll fit in the camera. And then the transmitter. Nice, pretty little guy. Not much to him at all. Oh, cool. It'll charge up with the USB port. That's nice. Does this charge up too, or does this use the battery from the camera? Yeah, it must use the battery from the camera. I don't know. We'll figure it out though. What else we got? We got the lavalier, the lapel mic. Lapel? Is that right? I don't know. It's the mic that's going to go right here on my person. That way I've been told you can hear me. We'll try it out though too. Nice. Got the headset. One in here. Probably not going to use this one. I don't know. I might. You never know. You never know. Yeah. It's it'd help if I had it set right or whatnot. But there we go. Blah blah blah. That'll be fun if we decide to use it. I don't know if we will or not. But another little cable here for splitting it off or something. And of course our charging port. And oh, it came with the converter piece. I don't have to go downstairs and look for one. It came with one. Awesome. So we'll go ahead and hook her up and get her charged up and everything else, and then we'll see how she works. We'll catch back up with you guys later. Alrighty guys, we're gonna see if the mic is working or not. We're hoping it is. I'm not like yelling and screaming at the camera this time. I'm talking fairly normal. So we're gonna see how well it's working. I'm gonna go ahead and walk to the back porch just to see. It's probably 20 feet away, 25 feet away. So we're gonna see how well this works. And I'm just gonna run a running monologue while I do this, just to make sure that it's actually picking up and going to transmit to the camera. Here I am now at the back door, and we'll prove this by opening it up. You guys can hear the door open, and now you're going to hear the door close, just to show that we are in fact in the other room, so we know if the mic is working or not. So far I'm liking how it feels. It's not uncomfortable to wear, so it's not uncomfortable, so that makes me happy. And we'll see if it in fact picks up or not. But as you can see, I am now back in front of the camera. So if we have audio the whole time of me walking around talking, good, great, grand. If not, well then, I guess it doesn't work. Although if you heard me the whole time, it does work, and for that, I'm gonna be happy and thankful and glad. So we'll catch back up with you guys later. I'm really hoping this works. If it does, I'm gonna love it. If not, I'm probably gonna be upset. But we'll see, and we'll put a link to this down below in the description. That way you guys can check this thing out, because I am sure that it's beautiful, that it's going to work beautifully. So we'll catch up with you guys later. Bye.